It's the next day. It's the last official day of fun, but we leave tomorrow, but today is the last day. We are all taking our at-home COVID test right now, so there's mine currently.
Día que me falte tu piel, ¿qué será? ¿Qué será de mí? No seas parte de mi amanecer, ¿qué será? ¿Qué será de mí? Por todo yo brindo, desde lo feo hasta lo lindo. Tú eres una prueba que el mundo a mí nunca me brindó. Quería casarme, yo tan loco en ilusionarme, creyendo en tus besos y tus caricias. La verdad no fue el culpable. Ay, todo tiene un propósito y dejarme será solo.
Gotta get them pictures in.
Día que me falte tu piel, ¿qué será? ¿Qué será de mí? No seas parte de mi amanecer.
Hey y'all. Bring some shot glasses. Okay, I gotta take shots. You guys. Is it cute? Yeah. And drinking. Let's try to get one together.
You gonna put on the timer?
Yeah.
For your camera?
Y luego me quieres ver, eso nunca pasará. Prefiero otra mujer, chica, si te vas y juegas otro papel que nunca te quedará, como eso de serme fiel.
We got motorcycles in here. I'm scared to eat tacos after all y'all was boo-booing. She rich. This girl. A peso is $1 to them? No. $1 is 20 pesos.
Guacamole?
No.
Your name?
Ariel, A-R-I-E-L. And then you have a caramel frappuccino.
Caramel frappuccino or choice?
A small. Yes.
Regular milk?
Say that again?
Regular milk or milk, soya, coconut?
Regular. And one more. You don't have a cheese Danish? No. Let me have the lemon cake. Let's slice. Yeah, one slice. I got it. Oh well. I got another one coming. Bagel and cream cheese. Muffins. Yeah, birthday. Aw, so cute. Ariane. Thank you.
So this is what we're gonna do.
It doesn't seem that crazy.
If the picture package
short?
is the same as yesterday, I'm one of you guys do all the for you guys.
So we don't have
The thing is that we have to pay that many because of the picture they was from. He scanned. Go get your helmet. Hold on, let me get one of these.
Y'all feel legit in this hat. What's good? Retarded.
Oh, what? Short bus by. This man's crazy.
See on it?
¿Cómo se dice?
Valor que solo una persona puede atender aquí a nivel
Oh.
entrador.
One person up here?
Yeah. What do you guys? What else you guys do?
You're psycho. Just in case something happens. You don't. What was a balloon?
What it was filled with?
This girl is so ratchet.
Finally.
One piece. On salty piece candy. Oh, poor ducky. You could just took that home and bring it to Timmy.
I can't bring it.
Oh yeah, we can't take that home. We're gonna fuck you.
You know we can prove this.
You want a hit? You want a hit? Candy!
You're recording?
Everybody.
It's fine. I'm just watching her down behind do something crazy, you know? Oh yeah, it did flicker. Oh God, not tonight. Now she gotta clean it up. You dumb. Oh! And that's the wrap. Good night, folks. Alright you guys, it's time to go home. This was an amazing trip, but it's time for me to go. I'm ready to get back in my bed and just take a shower in my shower. But it has been a great trip, and yeah, can't wait to do this again soon. Stay tuned. I should probably buy a shirt, something, so that I can remember this trip. I'm tired of spending money, honestly though.
Free entertainment is available on today's flight. Stream Apple Music for free in flight by connecting to our Wi-Fi. You can also stream our library of free movies.